Good morning. It is December 8th.
Yes,
and I think it's like 40 degrees outside. It's not too bad.
41.
And it's going to get up to 60 today. So this is a good day.
It's a good day. It's good because she's going shopping.
Yes. Caroline and I was not planning on it. I was planning on doing some work here. But hey, if I got somebody wanting to go shopping with me, that's for our jelly.
Oh.
If I got somebody wanting to go shopping with me, hey, I'm taking them up on it because I don't like to go by myself, and I've still got somebody to buy for. Any ideas, leave them in the comments below because I can't beat last year. Last year I had a song written for him, and I'm out of ideas for big gifts. So leave me some in the comments.
That's a good idea.
Hey, yesterday I received all of these, and we're going to open them later today when we're together. I used to share the cards, but I accidentally, actually one came in after Vlogmas, and I did not share it, and I think I hurt somebody's feelings, and I did not mean to at all. So I don't share them anymore just because I'm so afraid of leaving somebody out. But
accidentally.
Let's see. Linda sent this. I am going to show you what Linda sent for Judah.
His own little apron.
Judah likes to cook with bubbles. So
is that not the most darlingest thing?
So we're going to have to go get Levi one because, yeah.
But Levi's not ready yet.
Yeah, Levi doesn't help me much in the kitchen like Judah does. And I also got a t-shirt. I was going to show it to you yesterday, but I didn't. But I'm wearing it. I'm going to wear it later on today, so you will see it. And it is the cutest, funniest thing ever. So,
ready?
Jelly time on day 8. I see day 8 right away.
Got it.
The door says, dream big dreams. Amen. Dream big dreams.
Matter of fact, that was my social media post yesterday. You know what that was?
What?
God can empower you to accomplish your dreams as long as your dreams are in His will.
Are in His will. That's right.
That was my post yesterday.
And if your dreams aren't making you uncomfortable, you may not be dreaming big enough.
And if your dreams are not larger than what you can do yourself.
That's right.
Yep.
Okay, this is, peach jasmine flower spread.
I like the color.
Yes, it's a beautiful color.
It's very translucent.
I'm not going to take the lid off and show you like I did the other day because I dumped it on the...
And spill it.
But anyway, isn't that beautiful? Okay, and look what bread we have.
Artisan sourdough bread.
We have my sourdough bread, and you can see he's already taken a bite or two. I'm not going to cut it in half. We're just going to bite off the same piece of bread because I kind of butchered it when I was cutting it, slicing it.
So you want me to jelly the whole thing?
Jelly the whole thing, and then we'll just share the bread.
All right, here we go. We'll jelly the whole thing. They can't
I don't know if I've ever had peach jam.
They can't see me jelly it.
That's okay.
I can tell you it smells good. Did I get too much?
That's okay. I have my coffee in my Christmas cup.
Who's going first?
You go first.
I'll let you.
You let me go first?
Here we go.
It's going to be good just because it's on my bread.
I got plenty of jelly on there. Did you toast that bread this morning?
Mm-hmm. A little bit.
Let's go.
I don't know if the jelly's that good or if it's just because it's on my bread.
Really
I'd say a little bit of both. That's good. Peach jasmine flower spread. Mm-hmm. All right. Another question for you guys to leave me comments below. I'm wanting to save all these little jars, but I don't know what for. What can I do with them, or what can I use them for after I keep them? So let me know what you think I could do with these after the fact.
That's the first time I've had peach jelly.
I don't think I've ever had a peach jelly or jam. I know they make it. It's not something I buy.
It's very light. Very flavorful, very good. Very springy. I feel like it's springy. So.
That bread's not bad either.
Well, I've had better. Anyway, I'm just kidding. So. I got her coughing.
The bread's good.
It's okay. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just cutting up.
The bread's amazing. I'm
The
like,
bread
what's wrong with you?
is amazing.
And I was so worried about my sourdough starter not being active enough. I think I thought I got into it too early after feeding it. Because you're supposed to wait 4 to 12 hours when it's at its peak of activity. But I couldn't wait. And I don't think it hurt anything.
Like a kid at Christmas.
Yeah.
Right, Daniel and I are going to start setting up houses today. We're going to go, Daniel and I are going to go get leaves up at the church. At 6 o'clock tonight, there's a young man at our church. He's a wrestler, high school wrestling. He wanted me to come watch him wrestle. So tonight I'm going to go watch him wrestle. May take you along for that. And so she and I are going separate ways, but we've got full days.
Yep. So I'm going to do some shopping. And I'm excited. Little Levi will be going with us today. He did not go to daycare today, so we'll have him with us. So we'll see you with whatever we do next.
All right, guys. Have a great day. See you shortly.
Okay, Caroline and I and Levi are here at our local mall. As you can see, I don't believe many other people are, but we have parked around back, and we've parked around back. Most people park up front. But hey, I'm gonna hand the camera to Caroline and let you see my cute little t-shirt somebody sent me. There it is, making a list and chicking it twice. Great for a chicken farmer. We're gonna have a great look. Caroline hopping on one foot. There goes Levi hopping on one foot. Yeah. Well, we're in line at our local Belk's department store, and we're at the shoe department. In the Belk's store. So we're just waiting in line, and Caroline's in front of me, and Levi is pushing my buggy. Okay, everyone, we're here at a local shoe department store, a shoe store. And they have clothes and stuff, you know, a few clothes, but mainly shoes. And they have a lot of work boots and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can find something for maybe Bryant, for maybe Isaac, Jamie, who knows, me. So we're just going in here to look. Well, Caroline and Levi gave out on me. I didn't give out. They gave out. So Caroline has actually been laying on my couch for an hour or so, and she just now packed Levi up to go home. And and my wallet's probably in your console. She brought my pocketbook in, but not my wallet. It may be in your console. And anyway, so she's been laying on my couch, and I have been sitting here working on something. Let me show you. I'm actually crocheting a shawl, and it's going to be kind of ribbed looking like that. And so yeah, I've just started it last night. I haven't got very far, but since we came home a little early and I couldn't wrap presents because they were here, I just started working on this. You can see she left the blanket. She was so tired. I said, honey, you need to go home. And so they've been laying over there resting. So I guess I need to get up now. But yeah, I'm so happy with my shawl. And this is the yarn I got from Hobby Lobby. I think I need more. I got 2. I may need more. So we'll see. But this is what I've gotten done so far. And I'm very pleased with it. Hey everyone. So we are headed to something I have never, ever been to.
Wrestling match.
We're headed to a wrestling match. I have never been, and I don't mean like
a WWE.
Like a high school wrestling match. This young gentleman goes to our church, and we're here to watch him wrestle. He's in the top in the state somewhere. I mean, he's ranked up there. So we're going to head in and go see him and see what all this is about. And I have no idea what wrestling is about in high school sports. Never seen it. So we're fixing to witness something for the first time. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, guys, the young gentleman in the black and blue are who we're here to watch.
Now, don't ask for a play-by-play narration here because I don't understand a thing.
Get it up! You gotta set it up. Forward.
We stopped by our downtown Asheboro, and they have Christmas on Sunset.
Tell them we're late getting here.
Yeah, we're late because we've been in a wrestling match, but we stopped by and it's still going on. Hey everyone, I'm just laying here on the couch taking it easy, and I did want to come on and tell you that excuse me, the cheese tasting, we're going to just double it up tomorrow. We're not going to do it tonight. We'll just double it up tomorrow. And so yeah, I also wanted to tell you, boy, did I ever learn a lot about wrestling. Like, I have no clue what constitutes points, you know, and so forth. And I thought it was individual matches, but it is individual matches, but it's a team. You earn enough points for your team. So it was mind-blowing, actually. And it was very heated. It was a heated between teams. The young man's team that we went to see, his team, actually, they beat the state champions. I think they were state champions last night. So, and the young man we went to see, he did win his match. So it was, and I don't even know if you call it a match. I don't know. But yeah, I learned a whole lot because I've never seen it, never watched it, never been to it. So it was an eye-opening experience, that is for sure. But I don't know what tomorrow's video holds. I don't know what today's video is, probably pretty short, but so we'll just see about tomorrow. We'll just see. I don't know. So our family's a little bit under the weather, and the stomach bug has made its way from Caroline's house to our house, and so everybody's just a little bit puny. So, and anyway, it didn't hit us or me until we were leaving the downtown Asheboro area. And so anyway, that's just what I'm doing on the couch, just kind of chilling on the couch. So, all right, well, we will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas, and I hope you have a great day. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye, y'all.